Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll start inside Settings, tap Accessibility or Display immediately to begin. Once done, check Android version displayed and the device model so you use the correct menu names. You don't need to memorize everything, just pause if options differ and follow the equivalent label. Make sure to back up or note any custom display profiles before changing system text, because some apps inherit those settings. Now move to the display or text size control to take the first adjustable action. You'll find a text size slider. Drag it slowly to increase or decrease system fonts so you can judge contrast and line breaks. Once adjusted, make sure to also open display size to scale UI elements, which prevents controls from overlapping when text grows. If your phone supports a preview, use it to test common screens like messages and settings. If apps still look cramped, reduce display size slightly while keeping text size larger. This balances readability and layout stability. Complete the process by reviewing key apps and restarting any that didn't reflect the new settings. Some apps cache fonts until relaunch. If you only need occasional magnification, enable accessibility magnification instead of large permanent fonts to avoid layout issues. Make sure to test notifications, keyboard, and lock screen. If a layout breaks, reset display settings or revert to a previous profile. This restores UI stability while preserving your backup. One quick troubleshooting tip: clear app cache before restoring.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.